Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a fried pastel. This is the same process as making a pastel, but just we're going to be frying it in the end. So to start, I'm adding salt and black pepper to the minced meat. So when you're making your pastels this Christmas season, all you have to do is save a couple and fry them. I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce, some bitters, and some green seasoning. You want to mix those seasonings into the meat and allow it to marinate for about 10 minutes or for a couple of hours. If you're doing a couple of hours, make sure and cover it and refrigerate. Next, set this aside. Let's work on the dough. So to our corn flour, I'm going in with butter and salt, and I'm adding in enough lukewarm water to bring this together to form a soft dough. You don't want the dough to be too dry because it will fall apart when you have to make the pastels. Cover with a damp paper towel and a tea towel. To a skillet, go in with some oil and add chopped onions and chopped pimento peppers and saute until the onions are translucent. Next, go in with some chopped or minced garlic. We're going to saute this until the garlic is tender and fragrant. And then we're going to go in with some chopped celery and scallions. Mix. You want to season this with a little bit of salt. Mix. And then we're going to go in with our minced meat. Now I'm using turkey for this. You can use any type of minced meat you like. You want to break that minced meat up, and we're going to brown this minced meat. If it's really hard to break up, use your potato masher so that you can get really small pieces. Next, go in with some tomato paste and mix that in. You want to cook that tomato paste so you release the flavor of that tomato paste. So mix well, and then go in with raisins or dried cranberries, capers, and chopped olives. Toss to combine. Now at this point, you want to taste and adjust your salt accordingly. Cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes and then set aside to cool down. Next, we're going to heat some oil on a medium heat, and I'm using the Nariyal coconut oil from CGA Limited. Using a piece of plastic, open out your dough balls with a little bit of oil and place your filling in the center. Now you want to open out that dough as thin as possible, but not too thin where it will break or fall apart. Fold just like a pastel and then fry. We're going to fry this until it's golden brown on both sides. We want to fry it on a medium to medium low heat so that you want to make sure it cooks all the way through. Drain on paper towels and set aside. Now this has a really crispy exterior and it reminds me of an empanada. So if you guys make this and you enjoy it, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas!